Ẹ káalẹ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa. Mo kí gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá congratulation. Mo kí wa o lógúnlógún, mo kí wa lọ́gbọ̀nlọ́gbọ̀n. Mo kí wa tẹ̀ṣọ́-tẹ̀ṣọ́, mo kí wa tológun-tológun. Congratulation. A kú oríire. Ibi tá a ní ká gbin obì sí obì ti lálẹ́ o. Ní orí fídíò tí ẹ fẹ́ wò yìí, ẹ gbọ́ àwọn bí arákùnrin ṣe ẹ wò ó ti rúgbó, nǹkan ti di woro sí woro. Ẹ wo bá àwọn ọmọ Fúlàní ṣe kó àwọn ọmọ ogun jọ. Ẹ wo bọ́n ṣe kó àwọn ọmọ ogun jọ. Wọ́n ń bọ̀ ní south, wọ́n ń bọ̀ ní Edo state. Kì í ṣe Edo state nìkan náà ń bọ̀ o. Ṣé mọ̀ pé wọ́n dárúkọ àwọn gbogbo ibi tí wọ́n ń bọ̀. Ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ kẹ́bíbọ̀dì lọ rẹ́dì ni. Àwọn tìtorí àwọn tí wọ́n pa ẹ mọyì àwọn tẹ́ ti fẹ̀mí wọn ṣòfò nínú Nàìjíríà. Kò sẹ́ni tó gbọ́ pa a ò gbọ́n kankan. Ó ti wá di woro sí woro ń sìn. Ojú everybody ti wá là, gbogbo nǹkan tá à ń sọ ó ti wá yé everybody. Nǹkan gan tá à ń wá gan lélẹ̀. Òun ni ìdí congratulation mi fún gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbáradì, ẹ má jẹ́ ká sùn tẹ̀tẹ̀rẹ̀ o. Ẹ má lọ sùn tẹ̀tẹ̀rẹ̀. Ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí arábìnrin kan sọ nínú fọ́nrán tẹ́ fẹ́ wò. Mo fẹ́ join gbogbo ẹ̀ papọ̀ kẹ́ wò, kẹ́ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ wò tán. Ẹ má gbé kúrò ńbẹ̀ o. Ẹ bá mi wò tán. Tẹ́ bá wò mí for the first time, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Mo kí wa. Ẹ̀yin ẹ̀yọ́ wa, ẹ farabalẹ̀ ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí arábìnrin sọ. Wọ́n ní wọ́n sáfi village wọn sílẹ̀. Wọ́n wá pa nígbà tí eṣinṣin ń jẹ elégbò sọ̀rọ̀, elégbò ń pe ṣiṣi, gbogbo yẹn wá ń pariwo. Ariwo kílẹ̀ wá ń pa nísìn. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin olórí Nàìjíríà, gbogbo ẹ̀yin gbogbo tẹ́ ń darí Nàìjíríà, ẹ̀yin èèyàn rédèrèdè. Ẹ gbọ́rọ̀ táwọn èèyàn ń sọ nítorí àwọn tí wọ́n pa wọ́n ní wọ́n hunt. Ẹ fi odidi north sílẹ̀ wọ́n hunt ní Edo state. Edo state ń ṣèlú yín ni nítorí federal constitution tẹ́ ń gbé kiri pé anybody lè live níbi tó bá wù, ó lè ṣe nǹkan tó bá wù níbi. Rubbish. Enough for that rubbish. A ò gbárù ẹ̀ mọ́. Ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa, ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ wo fọ́nrán náà.
Tura ta kai bango, na rantse da Allah ba za mu yarda da irin wannan cin mutuncin da ake mana ba. Billahi allazi la ilaha illa huwa. Abin da aka yi mana a Edo State ba za mu yafa wannan abin ba, wallahi Allah. Mu za ku ci amma tura ta kai bango, na rantse da Allah ba za mu yarda da irin wannan cin mutuncin da ake mana ba. Billahi allazi la ilaha illa huwa. Abin da aka yi mana a Edo State ba za mu yafa wannan abin ba, wallahi Allah. Mu za ku ci amma tura ta kai bango, na rantse da Allah ba za mu yarda da irin wannan cin mutuncin da ake mana ba. Billahi allazi la ilaha illa huwa. Abin da aka yi mana a Edo State ba za mu yafa wannan abin ba, wallahi Allah. Mu za ku ci amma tura ta kai bango, na rantse da Allah ba za mu yarda da irin wannan cin mutuncin da ake mana ba. Billahi allazi la ilaha illa huwa. Abin da aka yi mana a Edo State ba za mu yafa wannan abin ba, wallahi Allah. Mu za ku ci amma tura ta kai bango.
Before I make this video to wish women happy Mother's Day, fuck you, fuck you, fuck all of you in the north. I don't have a village. The middle belt is bleeding. I do not have a village anymore because of Fulani headsmen. Every day, Fulani headsmen are unaliving people. My mother, we could not bury my mother. When my mother died, we had to give it 2 fucking months because the whole village was surrounded by Fulani headsmen. Kogi is gone. Benue is gone. Every day, Agatu people are running from their village because Fulani headsmen are attacking them. 2 months. When we buried my mother, we went to the soldier with the police. We did not stay. My mother is an important human being in that village. The first woman to earn an educational degree, the first woman to go to College of Education in a village. So when she died, you would expect that the whole crowd would be sitting by my mother's grave. But what did we have? When we came, the village was gone. Nobody was there. Only a few people had gone and they were waiting for us. And if not for tradition that the body must return back to the ancestors, where the ancestors are, we would have not buried my mother in the village. We came, the grave was already dug. We put my mama inside grave, pray, and we got out of the village immediately because we had the Fulani headsmen were coming. But Uromi 16, you guys are defending hunters. You're saying the gun is licensed. They went from Katsina to Port Harcourt to hunt. So you can go from Katsina to Port Harcourt to hunt. Did the state of Port Harcourt give those hunters an allocation site for them to hunt? Do they have approval from the Port Harcourt state government for them to hunt in Port Harcourt? Or people can just leave their states in the north and go to the south and the southwest and the middle belt to do whatever they like. Fulani headsmen must stop. The government must stand up. The middle belt is gone. People will be sleeping in the night. Fulani headsmen will come and attack people and unalive them and steal their properties. When did we get to that point? If you're fighting for Urumi 16, you must fight for the justice of the Middle Belt. You must fight for the justice of the Fulani herdsmen that move from place to place, unalive people. You cannot be selectively biased. You cannot come from the north and be pissed off that 16 of your brothers was unalive when every day people in my village were unalive and you said nothing. You said nothing. And so, yeah, happy Mother's Day to all of you.
I see one of the youth that is misleading other youth in the person of VDM saying, oh, this is barbaric act. Why can't them break one leg or send them to police? VDM, I want to ask you a simple question. If you confirm that the Fulani have killed more than 5,000 Benue people and the Fulani is terrorizing the entire state, the Edo state where you come from, and the Fulani is terrorizing Enugu and Ebonyi, where was the Nigerian police? That is number one question. All the protests that the people have done in the whole country regarding the atrocities and what the Fulanis are doing, what has Nigerian military, Nigerian army, what have they done to stop the Fulanis? If they had done nothing, it means that they have no right to arrest any person for defending him or herself. And I am charging the southern governors, the southern leaders to activate Operation Kill Any Fulani terrorist group at sight. Don't take any Fulani person to the police, because the police and the Nigerian army are the people protecting the Fulanis, and they are the one giving them the weapons, the firearms they are using to do and wreak havoc on innocent people. Now, you that is condemning the Edo youth, where were you people when Edo youth were crying? Enugu women are protesting and crying, and this widespread condemnation have not come anywhere. And I ask you all, where were you people? I want to make this very message clear, and I want to pass this message to our people, most especially my Igbo brothers and sisters who are residing in the north. This message is for you. Don't be a coward, and don't allow any stinking, idiotic Fulani to kill you in the north. If anyone come for you in the north, go for the person. In as far as they are still maintaining one Nigeria, you have 100% right to defend yourself in the north. If they bring war to you, give them war. If they want peace, live in peace. And for those of you who will say, oh, Mazi, our people are residing in the north, I want to ask you a question. The people, our people that are residing in the north, are they raping the northern women there? The answer is no. Are they killing the northern women and the northern men in the north? The answer is no. Are they residing in the northern bush and constituting nuisance and wreaking havoc on them? The answer is no. Do they rent house and pay their tax and do their business and the law abiding? The answer is yes. If the emirs and the northern governors will see the protests and the cry of Enugu women, the Ebonyi women, the Edo women, the Isha women, the Awuchi women, the entire nation, the Benue women are crying for help because the Fulani headers terrorists are destroying and killing them, and they keep quiet. I expect them to shut up their fucking smelling mouths at this point, because just ordinary 16 we are slaughtered and they are threatening everybody. So I expect every one of you who are out there to know that, ask yourself this simple question. How can an immigrant who come from nowhere and be terrorizing the entire countries to displace them in their motherland by killing them, destroying their farm crop? We have seen series of videos where the Fulani will take their cows, their cattle to the farm, and they start uprooting cassava for their cow to feed on it, and they will use machete to be cutting corn, maize that was planted for their cows to feed on it. Both rice and the groundnut, everything will be destroyed. Yet Nigerian army, Nigerian police, Nigerian government have not arrested any person. The northern state and the useless Oba, all of them keep quiet. And they maintain, because it's the poor man. Now the poor people have started defending themselves, and the you people now find your voice to condemn them. What I expect from every eastern person, southern person, or whoever that is out there is to stand by the Isha people, by the Uromi people. If any Fulani buy any person, buy the whole Fulani in Nigeria. I want to ask you, who instigates the violence that prompted the Fulanis to start slaughtering the Enugu people, the Ebonyi people, the Bayelsa people, the Benue people? Who instigated it? You have reduced yourself that you are afraid of the Fulanis. If they come for you, you come for them. Then we run. The only language the Fulani understand is violence. If they cut your hand, you cut their hand. So I want to warn every one of you. If any of your leader want to intimidate you because you defend yourself, do to that your leaders the same thing you will do to the Fulani terrorist members. Because at this point of time, how can you be in your house and Fulani will come and kill you? I want every one of you to know that if you are an Igbo man residing in the north, don't say that you are not the one that is Uromi people. Because when they will come for you. Prepare yourself and defend yourself. If they don't like what is happening, let them divide the country. In as far as they maintain one Nigeria, and the Fulani threaten you in the north, deal with the person mercilessly. Stop being a coward. Since they cannot condemn the Fulanis, they have no right to condemn anyone. Prepare yourself and defend yourself. Kudos to Uromi youth. Kudos to Isha people. Enough. Operation by Fulani terrorists at site have been activated. And every community, every state in the south and in the south should emulate what Uromi youth did. Those people are not Hausa hunters. Don't allow yourself to be used. Those people are Fulani terrorist group. Operation by Fulani and ban them. No retreat, no surrender. And eyes for an eyes.
Ẹ ṣeun go. Òun náà lẹ ti gbọ́ yẹn. Ṣé rí gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀? Ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tárákùnrin yẹn sọ. Ẹ gbọ́ bó ṣe yànnàná gbogbo àwọn kíní. That is exactly àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo fẹ́ máa gbọ́. Ẹni tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ gbèrègbèrè kan èmi ò tẹ̀ ní mi ò ní gbé fídíò wọ̀nyẹn. Irú àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ táwa fẹ́ máa gbọ́ lélẹ̀ kó dàrú. Ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo ẹ fọ́ lójú. Yes, now kì í ṣọ̀rọ̀ Southwest nìkan o. Ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà ńlẹ̀ sì kì í ṣọ̀rọ̀ Southwest nìkan. Àwọn ti Southeast, àwọn náà ó ti kàn wọ́n. Àwọn ti South South ó kàn wọ́n. Àwọn ti Middle Belt ọ̀rọ̀ kàn wọ́n. Ẹ wo dìgbà tó ti ń pa wọ́n ní Benue, ẹjọ́ àwọn mélòó ló kù sí Benue. Tó ti ń pa wọ́n ní Benue. Wọ́n ní bàbá kan, wọ́n ló lọ fi oògùn poison sóko. Wọ́n àwọn màálù jẹ́ bí màálù 20 náà ló kú dànù. Wọ́n ti lọ arrest bàbá yẹn. Ṣé rí nǹkan tá à ń sọ? Wọ́n ti lọ arrest bàbá. Ṣé mọ̀ pé irú ẹ̀ náà ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Ìbàdàn? Ṣé rántí ṣe gbàgbé ṣé rántí? Ṣé mọ̀ pé irú ẹ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Ìbàdàn? Nígbà tí wọ́n ní bàbá kan náà tí wọ́n lọ kó fi nǹkan sóko, wọ́n ní kọ̀ọ̀kan ṣẹlẹ̀, wọ́n ti lọ arrest bàbá yẹn nìyẹn gbà yẹn. Òun náà ni àwọn nǹkan tá à ń fẹ́ kó ṣẹlẹ̀ ló ti ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ń sìn. Now, a ti sọ pé everybody ló máa jẹ breakfast. Ó ti ń kàn wọ́n lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan. Bá ṣe máa kàn yín ní ẹyọ kọ̀ọ̀kan òun náà lélẹ̀. Yes, ẹni àwọn èèyàn ṣe hunter, ẹni hunter ni wọ́n, hunter just ordinary hunter. Wọ́n bá oríṣiríṣi ìbọn, wọ́n tẹ̀lé àwọn èèyàn ló kọ́kọ́, wọ́n láwọn hunters wọ́n pa ẹ̀, wọ́n láwọn ló wọ́kọ́ ní ìbọn, wọ́n náà yìnbọn sáwọn èèyàn. Ìròmí tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa yìí, ẹ lọ ṣèwádìí lórí ẹ̀. Ẹ lọ ṣèwádìí ní orí àwọn nǹkan tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Uromi, ní Esaland, ní Edo State. Wọ́n ròyìn àwọn tó ti kidnap ní ìlú tá à ń sọ yìí, tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa yìí. Wọ́n ròyìn àwọn tó ti kidnap ń bẹ̀. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ní they are not just kidnapping. Wọ́n náà bá ti kidnap wọ́n á pa wọ́n ni. Okay, ẹni tó ti pa àwọn èèyàn ẹ̀ ọwọ́ yín náà wá tẹ ẹ̀hẹ́n. So bó ṣe ń rí nìyẹn. Bó ṣe ń rí, ẹ ti rí bó ṣe ń rí lára àbí? Ẹ ti rí bó ṣe ń rí lára. Bó ṣe rí gẹ́lẹ́ náà nìyẹn. Gbogbo wọn wá ń pariwo ń sìn. Wọ́n ní they are just ordinary hunter. Ẹ lọ wo máàpù Nàìjíríà. Kẹ wo àti ibi tí wọ́n ti wá. All the way from that place. Àwọn Edo State wọn ò ní boundary pẹ̀lú North. Edo wọn ò ní boundary. They don't have boundary with North. They don't share boundary. Ẹ wo bí wọ́n ti wá lọ́hùn tẹ wá hunt ní North ní South East. I mean South. Tẹ wá ẹ wá hunt ní South. Ẹ hunt kiri inú igbó. Okay, ẹ máa hunt. Ẹ ń pẹ̀lú àwọn èèyàn yín. Ẹ ń pàdéra nínú igbó wọn fi kọ́kọ́ ṣe yín o. Wọn kidnap yín, wọn pa yín o. Ẹ rò pé àwọn èèyàn lọ́pọlọ ni? Ṣé ẹ rò pé àwọn èèyàn lọ́pọlọ ni? Ẹ ń da gbogbo inú igbó rú, inú oko lóko. Ẹ ń kidnap àwọn èèyàn, ẹ ń parọ́ kiri, ẹni kíní. What are you telling me? Kí lẹ ń sọ tó dùn? Nǹkan tá a fẹ́ ṣẹ́rí eléyìí ò bá ti dá wàhálà sílẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà. Kẹ́ jẹ́ gbogbo ọ̀dọ́ ìlú ẹ má dá àwọn gbogbo èèyàn tó bá ń gbọ́ fídíò ẹ bá mi pín ètò yìí ẹ bá wa share káàkiri ẹ má jẹ́ ká dá àwọn Edo State nìkan dá nǹkan tó wà nílẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo wa kẹnu sí ẹ jẹ́ ká ganu sí ẹ jẹ́ ká fáyà wọn pẹ̀lẹ́nu ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ kì í ṣe àwọn nìkan torí everywhere they are everywhere in our bushes gbogbo reserve forest wa pátá làwọn people yìí wà enough for this Fulani caliphate enough for this Fulani bandit enough for this Fulani àmì ìmọ̀kan tí mo fẹ́ pè wọ́n name them ẹni orúkọ tó bá yẹ fún wọn ní kẹ́ máa fún wọn enough ó ti tó gẹ́ ọmọléfì ó ti tó gẹ́ ní kọ̀ọ̀kan ṣe pọ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká pín jẹ́jẹ́ ok ṣé tó bá pé irú èmi náà rí ìsìn ṣé wọ́n lè dáná sun mí láwọn ọmọ ìṣà we have àjọra yes àjọra I live with them here understand ara tá bá jọjọ ń sọ̀rọ̀ sí wọn ti mọ̀ pé yes this guy no but táwọn bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ ti mọ̀ ìmúra wọn ẹ ti mọ̀ pé ẹranko ni wọ́n bá ṣe múra ẹ rí bí wọ́n ṣe dọ̀tí for almost 1 year wọ́n lè má ti wẹ̀ ṣé irú wọn ẹlẹ́fẹ́ máa kó papọ̀ mọ́ ènìyàn a ní kò lè work ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà àjọṣepọ̀ wa by 4 tẹ wá papọ̀ kò lè work nǹkan tá máa dá sílẹ̀ òun náà lẹ́ ń rí kò lè so èso rere ẹ má force wa papọ̀ ìgbéyàwó tẹ ṣe fún wa ò lè so èso rere ọ̀rọ̀ Edo State ó ti di nǹkan mi o kì í ṣe nǹkan kékeré ló ti dà sílẹ̀ o gbogbo sọ̀rọ̀sọ̀rọ̀ àgbáyé ibikíbi tí ẹ wá wà ẹ dìde ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ ganu sọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí o ẹ má dá wọn dá o torí gbogbo àwọn ará ìlú yẹn sì wọ́n ti máa sá kúrò nílùú tó dá mi lójú jọṣẹ lọ wọ́n ti máa sá kúrò ẹgbọ́n kan tó arábìnrin ti sìn sọ ẹgbọ́n kan tó sọ náà ó ní màmá àwọn is well known in their village tó yẹ pé ó wà lára àwọn tó kọ́ kàwé nínú ìlú yẹn màmá kú wọn lè sòkú màmá Fúlàní ó ti lé gbogbo everybody dànù ẹ̀wọ̀n kan tó ti ń ṣe fún wọn ní Benue for how many years ago ń sìn ẹ̀wọ̀n kan tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wọn ní Benue síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ irú ilé ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ṣì wá ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀dá kọ̀ọ̀kan mọ̀ wọ́n ní Fúlàní wọ́n ní màálù kú ẹ̀mí màálù wájú tènìyàn lọ nǹkan tá à ń sọ gan nìyẹn gbogbo ẹ̀yin èèyàn tẹ́ ń wò mí tẹ́ ń gbọ́ mi please don't forget to share this program please don't forget ẹ drop comment yín ẹ máa bá wa turn pump sí orí ẹ please don't just watch gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́dẹ̀ ń wò mí náà tẹ́ ṣe ń ṣiyèméjì mi ò ṣépè mi ò bọ́ anybody ẹ bá tábà tẹ̀ ń ṣépè orí àwọn tó ń fìyà ń jẹ wá là á máa rọ ìpìlẹ ẹ bá wa subscribe sórí ẹ̀ náà kò ná wa lówó kò ná wa ní ìkọ̀kọ̀ kò gbowó kò gbòbì kò gbà nǹkan lọ́wọ́ wa ẹ bá mi subscribe sórí YouTube channel yìí èmi ọmọ yín ọ̀rẹ́ yín olólùfẹ́ yín tòótọ́ Àkàlàmàgbò TV ẹyẹ méjì òkè ń jàṣà àti sọ́pà wa là á máa wá ẹ̀yin náà là á máa bá agbénipa kò ní mọ́lé yín o.